Welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Dahlia, and today I will be showing you all how to make a FaceTime call. We're going to start out by opening our iPhone, by unlocking it. And now we're going to look for a green icon with a camera on it. So it might not be on your first page, might have to scroll a little bit, but this is an app that actually comes with your iPhone when you buy it, so you don't have to download it. So you see my FaceTime app, there's a green icon on the top left with a white camera. So I'm going to click on that. And right when you open it up, it has a list of names, and those names are the names of people that I've made a recent FaceTime call to. So if you want to FaceTime one of those people, you're just going to click on their name. But let's say I want to make a FaceTime call to my uncle, who I haven't called in a while. So we're going to click the green rectangle on the top right that says New FaceTime. And then a search bar comes up. So I'm just going to search his name. His name is Uncle David. So it came up right over here. I'm going to click on his name. And now, in the middle, there's a green rectangle that says FaceTime. So if I want to call him, I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to FaceTime him. And then he'll pick up, and I'll see a little rectangle of my face and a big rectangle of my uncle's face. That was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday on how to make a FaceTime call. If you enjoyed this tutorial and are interested in enrolling in a full class with us, please visit mittlerseniortech.com. Thank you for watching.